So when I opened up a new filter, I noticed there was water inside the little mesh foam insert, which I'll show you in a second. Most people may not even see. It actually says here condensation may be present inside the cap. So I was a little concerned. So the water, just to the touch, you could feel it. And upon looking this up on the EU ZeroWater site, it actually says that they pre-rinse these filters so that we don't have to. I guess normally there's the carbon activation in there. That media, that black stuff could normally leave some black soot, whatever. I know that from washing my fish tank filtration system. But anyway, so that water inside, first of all, if you're wondering, that is normal. But it got me thinking, like if they're washing, if they're running water through there and then they're putting this cap on and it's all sealed up, why wouldn't mold grow in there? And I got a little concerned. So that led me to my next step, which was just opening one up, even though I hadn't used it yet. And I had used a bunch of these before because we bought a lot on sale at Bed Bath & Beyond before they went out of business the first time. Excuse me. So I'm like, well, let's see. Maybe I can find some mold in there. So I started cutting it away. I cut through this mesh core. This is the first layer. Of the 5 layers, this is the first. This is what they call the coarse basic. It'll any big particles, it'll remove that. And then underneath there, there's like a little foam layer, and that's considered their foam divider. That's like their just second layer. I cut that all off, and then I'm like, hey, you know what? Other people may be interested in this. So this is what's underneath that. This is the third layer, and this is their carbon or activated carbon, but it's mixed in with something called KDF. So KDF is supposed to prolong the life of the activated carbon, and it's also antimicrobial, it's antibacterial. So that's supposed to prevent any kind of growth. Now you see those, I think that's the white stuff that you were seeing. You also see some of this these golden beads, and I believe that's some of the medium that's supposed to be below, that's part of the 4th level, that's gotten mixed in here. It's not clear that these golden beads are supposed to be in here at this level, but nonetheless. Whatever. And then beneath there, you have a 4th layer, which is considered their ion exchanger, and it's made up of these little, what they call cation and anion, these little resin beads. So I'm going to try to pour some of that out, and you can see other people have done this, but they did it well in the past before it was high definition was a thing. Look at all that. It looks like some of that got mixed in. All these different little layers here. So that's where we are now. It looks like all those layers got mixed together, as far as I could tell. They're not separated out. You see that gold mixed in with the black. I think that's the ion exchange stuff mixed in with the activated carbon, which is really charcoal. Because really that's all that's coming out of here, which makes sense in some respects, but I don't know that's going through 4 different layers. It's kind of mixed in there because that's the bottom, and at the bottom that's the 5th that's their 5th level or 5th layer, and that's just like an ultra fine sieve or mesh, which we can probably get to. Nice little mess here. But if you look, I'll zoom in there. That's it. And then the water will actually come out this little hole at the bottom. Anyway, the answer was there shouldn't be any mold because there is a little that KDF in there that is supposed to prevent any kind of bacterial growth. So I was satisfied. The rest of the material, the medium they call it, was quite dry. It was really only that foam layer that seemed to be wet. Granted, I've had these for quite some time because I bought a bunch in bulk. But anyway, I hope this satisfied some of your curiosity. It did for me. If you found this at all helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, subscribe down below. And I thank you for joining me.